I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team.
In this video we're going to go over creating your Google account and YouTube channel. But first off, I want you to know the importance of creating a YouTube channel. YouTube is really big right now. It is the second biggest search engine in the world, and it is owned by Google, the first biggest search engine in the world. What's more is that YouTube results actually show up on Google. How many times have you searched on Google and you see a YouTube video pop up as one of the very first results? This is because Google owns YouTube and it wants to show its owned content on the platform. It's really big. It's one of the most powerful ways to brand yourself today. And there's a massive know, like and trust factor. On YouTube, people see you, they see your face, and they get to know you, they get to like you, and they get to trust you. YouTube, just like all organic traffic methods, takes a while to get started, but once you've built up a following, once you've built up a tribe and a subscriber list who likes you and follows you, then you start to see those massive results, and you don't have to work as hard to get those thousands of views. On to actually setting up your Google account and YouTube channel. First thing you're going to need to do is create a Google account. And to do this, we go to accounts.google.com, and that's going to bring you to this page here. And you need to create a Google account before you create a YouTube account, because a YouTube account is like a subsidiary of actual Google account. The first thing I'm going to do is click create account, and then it's going to ask whether I want to create an account for myself or to manage my business. There's not much difference between the two, except a couple of the apps are different for myself or to manage my business, but they're both very similar. So I'm just going to click for myself, then I'm going to put my name, last name. Here you can choose whether you want to create a new Gmail account or whether you want to create a Google account with an existing email instead. I'm going to use my current email address and put my current email address in there. Then I'm going to choose a password and then click next. Now it's going to ask me to verify my email address. I'm going to go back to my email quickly. Now I'm in my email and I can verify my email address. You simply need to copy the code from your email, come back to the verify page, paste the code in and click verify. Sometimes Google wants to take it one step further and verify your phone number as well. Enter your phone number and hit next. Google will send a code to your mobile phone, and once you have the code, it comes through pretty quickly usually. You just type the code from your phone into the verification box and hit verify. And you can also have them call you instead if you prefer a call instead of text. Now you just need to enter your birth date, your gender, and hit next. Then you can opt in for your number to be used for video calls and stuff like that. But I'm not interested in that, so I'm going to click skip. You read the privacy terms and conditions all the way through. Click I agree, and then create account. A little pop-up is going to pop up just to confirm about the personalization and privacy policy. Your Google account is now set up. Now your Google account is done, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. And to set up your YouTube channel, you come up to the dots here, come down to YouTube and click on the YouTube icon. And that is going to take you directly to YouTube. Now you want to come to the sign in button. Now since you're signed in to your Google account, it automatically signs you in. Now you're logged in, you need to click your channel. Now it's going to ask what name you want to use YouTube as, and this is your personal name and your personal account. If you want to use a business or another name, you can click here, and that allows you to use a business name. It also allows you to have multiple managers or multiple owners for your YouTube accounts. This is really useful if you want to collaborate with people, if you have a team that does the search engine optimization and another team that does the uploading and so on and so forth. With a personal account, you have to manage it all on your own. I'm going to click use a business or other name. Then I'm going to call it Builderall Nomad Training and then click create. That is all there is. Congratulations, you now have a brand new YouTube account. In this video we went over creating your Google account and YouTube channel.